In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to PayPal with a credit card. Before we begin, a quick heads up. In most regions, PayPal doesn't let you directly top up your PayPal balance using a credit card. But don't worry, you can still use your card to fund payments or, if needed, move money indirectly so it ends up in a PayPal balance. Start by signing in to your PayPal account either in the app or at paypal.com. Use your regular login details and make sure you're on the official PayPal site or app for security. Next, link your credit card if you haven't already. Go to Wallet, choose to link a card, select debit or credit card, and enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Make sure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file to avoid declines. When you tap Link Card, PayPal saves it for future use. This simply adds the card as a funding source. It doesn't load money into your PayPal balance. Here's how credit cards work on PayPal. In most places, you can't add funds directly to your PayPal balance with a card. Instead, PayPal lets you use that card to pay for things or to send money. Think of it like checking out with PayPal and choosing your credit card at the register. If you want to send money with your card, open Send and Request, enter the recipient's PayPal email or username, type the amount, and select your credit card as the payment method. If it fits your situation and is available in your region, you can choose friends and family, then tap Send to complete it. The person you pay will receive the money in their PayPal balance. If your goal is to have funds in a PayPal balance, there's an optional workaround. You can send money funded by your credit card to a trusted second PayPal account. When you log into that receiving account, the funds will appear as a PayPal balance, and from there you can withdraw to a linked bank if needed. Only use accounts you trust and be mindful of any fees. Speaking of fees and limits, credit card payments typically include fees, especially for personal transfers. Your card issuer may also treat certain transactions as cash advances, which can add extra charges. Limits can vary depending on your account's verification status and region. Always review the fee and funding source shown on the confirmation screen before you send. And that's it. While you can't usually top up your PayPal balance directly with a credit card, linking your card lets you pay, send money, and shop securely using PayPal.